In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a bucket list dashboard in Notion. Get ready to transform your dreams and goals into an organized and visually appealing digital space. Whether you're planning adventures, personal achievements, or even small milestones, this guide will help you set up a system that can manage it all seamlessly. The first thing we need to do is create a bucket list database. To start off, open Notion and create a new page. This page will be the home for your bucket list, so feel free to name it something inspirational that resonates well with the vision you have for your future adventures. Once named, you'll want to add a new database to this page. Select the option to create a database in the form of a table. This format provides a clear and structured way to input and view your goals. Next, head over to the table view and begin customizing the properties that will serve your needs best. You'll start with the basics. Add a column for the name, where you can list the title of each bucket list item. These are your dreams, so feel free to be imaginative and detailed. Directly next to that, create another column for description. Here you can elaborate on each item, adding context or specific details about what it means to you, making sure each goal is as vivid as possible. Afterwards, add a category column. This helps sort your goals into broader themes like travel, education, or personal growth, enabling a better organized view when your list begins to grow. Then introduce a priority column that uses tags to indicate how much importance you place on each goal. This can be a simple high, medium, or low, depending on what resonates with you. Priority tags will help you focus on what truly matters and plan accordingly. Next, add a date column and label it as target deadline. Here, you can assign a specific time frame by which you aim to achieve each objective. Specifying deadlines keeps your timeline realistic and adds a motivational element to your list, helping you measure progress. Also, consider adding a completion status column. This should feature a checkbox to mark your accomplishments as you achieve them. It's a satisfying way to track success. To top it all off, you might want to incorporate a notes column. This is where you can jot down any additional information or reflections as you work towards each goal, capturing insights or memories that might inspire further activities or projects. Remember, this is just the base. Notion's flexibility allows you to add more properties that suit your unique preferences. Setting up your dashboard might take a bit of time, but once it's ready, you'll have an organized and versatile tool that keeps you motivated and inspired to turn these dreams into reality. Enjoy the journey, and don't forget to revisit and update your bucket list dashboard regularly. It's a powerful reminder of all the incredible things you're capable of achieving.